Thank you for viewing my virtual tour. Updated, well-maintained home with level driveway access to the front deck entry as well as the large garage. The main level features an open great room-style floor plan including living room, dining, kitchen, master bedroom suite, front and rear decks, hall full bath, plus another bedroom and garage access with laundry area. Use the sliding door to enjoy the sunny private deck overseeing the large rear and side yards. The spacious lower level features a huge family room with a wood-burning stove on a brick hearth, a large bedroom and the third full bathroom plus access to extra storage. The garage includes workbench, cabinets and shelving. Gated fenced yard includes the refreshing man-made pond, a gigantic chicken coop with covered walkway from the house, as well as fruit trees and flowering plants. Recent updates include the 50-year roof, 3-year-old stainless appliances, granite kitchen, laminate flooring and ADA-compliant toilets. Extra parking with drivable access to rear left yard. Near Cedar Ridge Lakes with optional membership available for Dogwood Lake. Also close to the PG&E hiking trail, Twain Harte and the rest of the Highway 108 corridor with Pinecrest Lake, Dodge Ridge skiing, as well as dining, theaters and shopping conveniences in historic Sonora. Close to Columbia and Railtown State Parks, Lake Don Pedro, Lake Tulloch, and Yosemite National Park. Valuable information at https://www.cedarridgeranch.org/